Good day, everyone. In this episode, we are going to have grade 8 mathematics. We will talk about operations on rational expressions, particularly addition and subtraction of rational expressions. For this topic, I divided the lesson into two categories. One is about addition and subtraction of rational expressions with like denominators and with unlike denominators. In this episode, we are going to have addition and subtraction of rational expressions with like denominators. You can watch the addition and subtraction of rational expressions with different denominators in other video presentation. Here are the things to remember. We have similar fractions and the rule in adding and subtracting algebraic expressions. So what are similar fractions? Those are fractions with the same denominator. What is the rule in adding and subtracting algebraic expressions? It must be like terms. So I have here examples of algebraic expressions, and let us identify who among these expressions are like terms. First example, 2x and 3x. That is an example of like terms. 4xy and 2xy is also an example of like terms. Y and x is not an example of like terms. So to be able to add and subtract algebraic expressions, it must be like terms. Let us now move on to the steps in adding and subtracting rational expressions with like denominators. First step is to add or subtract the numerators. Second is to retain the common denominator. Third, simplify the answer. Moving on to our first example, we have 2a over 3x plus 4a over 3x. First step is to add or subtract the numerators. Second is to retain the common denominator. So 2a over 3x plus 4a over 3x is equal to 6a over 3x. Third step is to simplify your answer. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2a over x. 2a over 3x plus 4a over 3x is equal to 2a over x. Next example, x over x plus 4 plus 5 over x plus 4. First step, add or subtract the numerators. Second, retain the common denominator. So that will be equal to x plus 5 over x plus 4. That is now the simplified answer in adding x over x plus 4 plus 5 over x plus 4. Third example, 4 over x plus 4 minus 2x over x plus 4 plus 3x over x plus 4. First step, add or subtract the numerators and then retain the common denominators. So 4 minus 2x plus 3x is equal to 4 plus x over x plus 4. As you can see, 4 plus x is equal to x plus 4. Let us change the position of 4 and x. Obviously, x plus 4 is equal to x plus 4. So simplifying your answer, that will be equal to 1. 4 over x plus 4 minus 2x over x plus 4 plus 3x over x plus 4 is equal to 1. Fourth example, 9x over x minus y minus 9y over x minus y. Add or subtract the numerators and then retain the common denominator. So that will become 9x minus 9y over x minus y. Simplifying your answer, 9x minus 9y. The common factor is 9. So that will become 9 times the quantity of x minus y over x minus y. Canceling x minus y, that is equal to 9. 9x over x minus y minus 9y over x minus y is equal to 9. Let us now recall the steps in adding and subtracting rational expressions with like denominators. First step, add or subtract the numerators. Second, retain the common denominator. Third, simplify the answer. I hope you learned something from this episode. Thank you.